Okay, well, OBS is being dumb again, so looks like we only got one stream going. Oh well, sorry guys. Guess we're just doing horizontal today. I don't know why it's so moody. I don't know why it picks its moments, but it is what it is. Okay, let's get this baby up and running. Sorry, I was actually going to come on early because I was here early and I was ready and I was like, yeah, let's just hop on to the stream early today. Why not? And then OBS apparently decided to make my life difficult. So here we are. Enough of my complaints today. I'm frustrated because this would have been a win. Maybe I should have just stuck with it. But that being said, it would have taken nearly an hour for it to have been a win. This one did not work, but I think it's eventually going to come back down to this flipping level, which is quite scary to think about. But for now, that did not work. That did not hit. That hit Justin's zone perfectly. Okay, moving on. Sorry, OBS now just annoyed me. I know it's like very invalid things that should not annoy me at all, but it did. But we're up. We're running. We're here. Hey, young Ferbs. Let's live trade together today. Okay, okay. How do you want to do this? There you go. Justin, can I just say, what the heck was this? What was this? Where did this come from? Why did this happen? Like, I was literally, like I said, I was sitting here, I'm a little bit early, and I was watching the charts, and I'm like, oh, okay, cool, gradual, and then I was like, what? What just happened? Why was there this massive spike? $2613350. Oh yeah. These equal or relative equal lows. Right here, yeah. This is a goodie right here. This zone. There we go. Relative equal lows. Even got that up and ready and waiting. I love it. Mark that as the low. Here are two little potential. They're not great, but liquidity zones. 1 and 2. They're not bad, but could be better. A few little skips and hops over there. Yeah, I mean, this would have been a win. Check, this came down nicely, messed around for ages, and finally would have gone up, but I was unfortunately gone by then. But nice to know that it was the correct idea. To be fair, I thought it was going to reverse there. I really did think it was going to reverse there, but it's fine. Yeah, Solly, I don't... Vert stream's just not gonna happen today, unfortunately. It's being dumb. I don't know if it's OBS or what, but it comes up with a thing and then it just doesn't want to play. So we're the horizontal gang today. Sorry about that, guys. Ah, that makes sense, Jordy. Yeah. And just gave it wings. Get it. Yeah, it was crazy. The best ever. What up? How's it going? And Bob, hi, good morning. How was your weekend, Bob? How was everything going for you? Oh my goodness. Just do me a favor. Thank you. Okay, I need to check the higher time frames as well, but yeah, obviously all the highs have been taken. Oh, no. No, we're not. I was about to say, are we at all-time highs, but we are not at all-time highs. Okay. Nah, sorry, I don't think any freaky boys will be in the big stream today. Well, normally that doesn't happen. Normally. Let's see. Hey Boom, how's it going? Aw, sorry, Geordie. Sorry, gonna be nothing super duper cool. I could try one last time. But I don't think it's gonna happen. Like I said, when it does this, it's very frustrating. Bob, good? Only good? Did you, I don't know, do something super awesome? Did you just play games the whole time? Both are awesome answers, by the way. Hey Nox, how's it going? And Monster Marv, how you doing? Monster Marv, did you trade any more from this morning? Or this morning, yeah. Monster Marv looking like range and then downside. Let's see. Nox, yeah, sorry, Facey is Bob. Let's see, I mean, we got a few minutes until opening. I thought I'd messed up. With this huge candle here, I thought I'd messed up and that this was actually opening. Luckily, oh my gosh, my face is so itchy. Luckily, I was wrong. I was stressed for a second. I was like, oh my goodness, I've missed it. And I'm talking a lot. Sorry. Oh, young Burb, you've got this. We are all here for you. Okay, if you need all the whoop whoops in the world, we are here. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, there we go. It's Bob. Sorry, you guys can now see me just fiddling away. And my dog sighing like he has the world's most difficult job ever. I mean, it is difficult having to deal with me, but still. Don't have to act so sad about it. Okay, let's check out the higher time frames. Sorry. My brain's a little busy today, can you tell? It was fine this morning. I just couldn't get any entries because it ran away from me. Literally just, it sprinted away. It was really rude. Geordie, were you on this morning, by the way? Hey, Jean, how you doing? Okay, so 5 minutes. Interesting. I'm not going to do it, obviously. It's just curiosity is getting the best of me. I mean, though theoretically, that would be, this would be, let's just stick with that. ES is just going up. 1 hour. There we go. Kind of does look like it wants to go up there. On the 4 hour, what have we got? Okie dokie, let's do this. Where did I have that drawn? Ah, there we go. I had that drawn there. I don't think that's right, but we're going with it. Monster Marv, you think a big short play in 10 minutes? Let's see. A late start to the day, skip gym and everything. Ooh, oh damn, Geordie. Don't worry. I actually had time this morning to do stuff. So did you know what I did? I did nothing. I felt really guilty, but sometimes it's good to do nothing. Sometimes a nothing day is needed. Tomorrow I'll get back into it now that I'm not so crazy anymore. I can start to go for runs in the morning and take Perry for walks on the beach and things. Full flag vibes though. Yeah. Right, Monster, that's what I was busy looking at. I'm like, hey, some guy, how's it going? Wait for 9:30 and see if we can close below it. Okay, let's see. Hey Rambo, how you doing? Do your Nasdaq trades work for us who's on Forex? SA Wealth Builders? Well, I mean, I don't want to say from experience, but I think it should. I mean, theoretically, this works on all time frames. It's super simple, basic market auction theory. Is it 100%? No. Over the past 11 days, so this is only from the past 11 days since I've been with Top One, or 11 days trading. It had a 58% win rate, which is not bad with a 1 to 2 hour trade strat, right? What is the time by me? So now that it's daylight savings, things have changed a little bit. It's nearly 4:30. So it's a little bit later now. Sell side 909, purge first. My brain is so confused. It's so used to converting things from 3, so now obviously things are a little bit different. Okay, gonna come down, take that, and then go up. So Rambo, that's what you think's gonna happen. Another L this morning, made the 1% I lost back on a quick scalp long. Now just waiting for the next point of interest to get hit. Nice, some guy. What is your next point of interest? Is it an order block? What is it? Yeah, so I was like, okay, it's not bad. So I would be properly in the green if I had done my contracts correctly, which I had not been doing until recently. So that's why I'm a little bit down on my 50k eval. And that's on me. It's on the learning process. It is what it is. Oh, no way, they say wealth builders. Well, I mean, South Africa. Yo, I'm from South Africa. Geordie's South Africa. Knox is South Africa. There's a few of us. All the South Africans are coming to unite. I love it. It just beat up my nightmare. I'm so sorry. I feel really bad. And these, what up, non-human? Skeletor? Okay. That's really good, but not me. SA Wealth Builders, it's because of daylight savings, it's in the next minute. So in 1 minute, it's supposed to be New York Open. Thank you, you're watching the 26136 and 26269. The second person to mention the 136 level. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I think, yep. Here we go. Let's see what happens. How big was this candle? Anyways, I didn't even check. Oh, just a casual 64 pointer. Whatever. Whatever. No biggie. That's not promising. That's not great. ES is dropping. And NQ is wanting to rise. Out of curiosity though, I would have been break even with this one. Like I said, I wouldn't have taken that trade, but curiosity's sake. That's really not great. Oh well, let's see what happens. FOMO kicks in and then big red. Okay, Monster Marvel, let's see. Yes. Primary buy side liquidity. Ah, thanks Rambo. 15-minute order block at 3 to 5 minute structure. That's a long short areas above. So I had a payment from... I'm sorry, wait, what? Did you say Top Step? SA Wealth Builders? Top Step. Are you sure Top Step? I didn't think we were allowed Top Step in South Africa. Am I wrong? Is Top Step now allowed? I thought Top Step was one of the whatchamacallits, it has a name, I've forgotten the name, doesn't matter. Hey Richie man, how you doing? How's it been going? Okay. Opening has happened as it headed to these equal highs that I thought it was gonna go for like days ago. Yo, wait 15 minutes, don't worry young fribs. Apple butter, especially after this morning, right? This morning was absolute insanity. So basically, is New York a continuation or is New York going to be the reversal? Monster Marv thinks reversal. Rip? What do you think? Oh. I didn't even think about that. I could do that. Oh, I didn't even think about that. Ah, loophole? Huh. Ooh. Now that's a loophole. Sorry, did you see the excitement just pop into my face? SA Wealth Builder, look at you go. Okay, anyways. I'm on top 1 futures, SA Wealth Builder. Hey Wayne, how are you? How's it going? I didn't even consider that. Flip. That might be cheeky though. I don't know if I'll be able to do that, but let's see. Okay, let's give it a few minutes. Well, we're 3 minutes in. Do you think it's gonna continue for this London high? It's to theoretically hit something right before. Okay. Okay. These wicks aren't promising, are they? Ah, oh, damn it. Then I guess not. Then I can't do it. Ah, damn. I thought I found the loophole. Never mind. Told you wait and see if we close below the 9:30 candle. Sorry, my bad. No, I have not. Ellipses, I have not. Though, out of curiosity, Ellipses, remember the trade I had up earlier? It would have been a win. Would have taken a while, but it would have eventually been a win. Like I said, it would have taken like an hour, but still. A win is a win. I just wasn't able to stay down here to confirm or deny it. Here we go. I can tell you already this would have been a loss if I'd placed it here. Wanna bet? Here we go. Whee! Boom. Loss. That would have sucked. MES one since Friday at noon. Damn, Wayne. And how's it looking? Where's your TP at? Is it far or close or what's the plan? Pablo, I mean, we're not there yet, Pablo. Just saying. This kind of looks like it wants to start reversing. I know there's still a little bit of time, but let's see, Pablo. ES is... Whoa. ES is melting. ES is melting properly. Just got out a sell. Oh, nice. An hour is nothing. Patience pays. I know, some guy, but I had limited time to go to the horses, and it naturally would have entered into the trade at around the time I hopped off to go to the horses. Yeah. That's the second try would leave time. Would leave a trade to run and come back to see it when I know. I know, ellipses. It happens. It happens. It is what it is. It pulled back from 210. When you think 152. What's that 152? Oh! Oh, you think it's coming to these inverse fair value gaps? I mean, potentially. Well, we've got decent movement now. I need to wait for a little bit of confirmation, but I mean, it's tapped into this fair value gap. And I don't got much else going for it, do I? And first, what does this look like on the 5 minute? I think it helps that ES. Woo! Wow. Do you guys use Telegram for your trading communities? No, SA Wealth Builders use Discord. Gold melting as well. Is gold melting as well? That's weird. Oh! Thank you, Wayne. I was what? Bob, your hands off until the news cometh. Big choppy doppy soon. But to trade your broker on. SA Wealth Builders, I'm literally just on top 1 futures. That's them. I'm not with like a TradeOvate or anything else. Holy cow, what? Is this just gonna run away from me again? Is this going to be round 2 of this morning? This morning was very frustrating. It just ran away, it didn't give me anything at all. There is the news in like 15 minutes. No, I lied. Not 15. Like 5 minutes. Bob, you're probably right. It's probably better to just sit on my hands or play with my unicorn. That sounded weird, but yeah, anyways, I'll just hands off until after the news. It's probably best. But I see there's news at 3:45. Sorry, my brain's having to adjust to this. 3:45 and at 10 again. Young for a beat? Well, I mean, I haven't obviously asked for a payout yet, so... But so far, so good. I have no complaints. Yeah. Ellipses, if you're too hesitant, it'll keep running. My man, I think it's just gonna keep running regardless. Look at it go. But I do agree, probably best to wait until after news. Hey, Raphael, how you doing? Tried a little short. Ooh! Apple butter? We whoop whooping? Did you just mark it in? How did you get into this? Ah, what? Are you sure, Bob? Solly, what? What are we pausing? Sorry. On top step, are you sure? Let me have a look. Ellipses, I'm sorry, guys. I did it. Okay, anyways. I didn't mean anything. I just closed it, fell further down. Nice. Wealth Builders, pop me an email and I'll send you the link. It was a bearish pattern. You could go in the pattern. Nobody, you chased it. Monster of the I need my proper entry, which would theoretically be this if it comes back up. Is it gonna come this far up though? I do not know. And again, if there's news in the next 4 minutes, I don't really want to be trapped in it. Imagine nothing happens, but still, rather safe than sorry. Oh, Raphael, making breakfast. You saw funding ticks. Are they good? Yeah, they're actually really, really nice, and they're decently priced, which helps a lot. Seen they're quite good. Posted on Discord. Who wants to see it? I can join. Oh, nice, Rip. Let me go check it out. What did I just do? There we go. I moved those equals. Hey! Rip, it's headed right for that point that you wanted to see taken. And move down again. At this point, it's going to take out everything that I wanted. Oh well, I guess. Few more minutes, let's see. At least there's decent movement. There's crazy movement today, actually. Why is it so crazy today? I scalped the retracement down. Nice, I'm in the green for today. Be more patient and wait for perfect entries throughout the session. Justin, that is amazing. Whoop whoop. For everyone that's green today, whoop whoop. For everyone that's red today, sorry, but we are still fresh in the day, right? There's opportunities. And I haven't taken a trade from lack of trying. I have to put it out there. I made a setup like 3 times during London. It just ran away and didn't get me in, which was very rude. Raphael, I mean, maybe. I gotta run. I'm going to make dinner. Enjoy, SA Wealth Builders. Have an amazing dinner. I hope it's yummy. Roof. For all we read, whoop whoop. I'm sorry. No, wait, sorry. Reds has to be wop wop. So whoop whoop for the wins. Wop wop for the Reds. Sorry. I do it to myself, so. Oh, Wayne, okay. In copper. I haven't actually looked at copper. Is copper good? Nah, boom. Bob's waiting until after news. Well, he said he was waiting until after news. I don't know if Bob is still waiting until after news. Womp. There we go. Some guy. When you know, you know. It's bearish. Also, wait. Ellipses, you said gold is also bearish. Why is everything bearish? Is it just because of this news? Ooh, okay, Rip. Nice, 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 nice. Bob is the news. Damn, Ellipses feels strongly about this. Why do you say that? What's up with copper? Still think BC could end up by end of the day. Gold has been kind of choppy for a while. Bearish sentiment though. Okay. Maybe Mondays and Tuesdays are usually unusual, but nice peanut. Let's see what happens. I mean, last week Monday was really good for me, and then Tuesday I didn't even get a trade. Well, didn't get a trade. I didn't place a trade because it was just choppy. Let's see, maybe Maybe we get something amazing. Was that it? Was that it? Seriously? That was it? All of that for nothing. Is it really just gonna do what it did to me this morning? That just feels rude. Okay, well, let's see if this maybe comes up high enough to get me. I don't know if it will. And it did. This is not great. This is good though. Okay, let's see. More news in 15 minutes. I know, boom, but do you think that will have any effect at all? The euro dollar is weak. Oh, really? Huh. Monster Mob, it's a huge trap. What is? This short down? Or this little bit of a retracement that's gonna happen now? I think it might get back up. They're possibly looking at a short down to 0.70. Ooh. Ooh, maybe. News effects. Monster Mob, you say that. There was news now. There. That was it. That was the news candle now. It must have been like orange fold or something. I should maybe check it out. Wait, let me quickly see what news there was. There we go. Trading news. Savings time. Okay. Oh, it was just a yellow folder. Manufacturing. Oh, commodity prices. Ooh, okay. No, I was looking at the wrong time. Yeah, my bad. There we go. Manufacturing PMI. Okay, let's see what it brings. Go back to the charts quickly. There's a setup for gold. Okay, young Ferb. I don't know, it's spread. Oh, there we go. Targeting that. Aha! Yee! Okay. Hey, Chase! How you doing? And Tube Treasure, what up, what up, what up? I don't know if it'll come back to get me. Apple Butter, you think it's going to consolidate here until news? David, it's not a weak euro dollar, it's a weak global economy buried in debt, inflation pressures, interest rate pressures, the problems of are back to haunt everyone, the central banks have nowhere to go. David, that was deep. That was really deep. Like, it's valid, but damn. This is just gonna run off without me. Yep. It's basically doing the same thing it did this morning. It's just running away without me. I can't get an entry in. I know I'm being negative Nancy, just give me a minute. And I'm sure it will maybe calm down soon. Whoop, there are those equal lows, which means rip. Are we whoop whooping? Finally got a teeny tiny gold TP after 4 days. Yes! The losing streak is over, well done! I'm so proud of you. Oh, that's amazing. Losing streaks suck. See, now my brain wants to place one here. but, very big but, is that it literally just took out relative equal lows and all of this liquidity. It potentially going to pop up higher than I wanted to, so it's not worth taking this trade. Maybe it's a mistake, but I have valid reason to not take it. It's just frustrating. $2026 big crash out. Really? Chase, there are some good candles, not gonna lie, but I'm looking for longs, just waiting for news. Or maybe just keeps dropping. Apple butter, right? No, David, you are correct. Yeah. Yeah, I get it. What I'm trying to do, not let the ones lungs at this point. Yeah, I know, ellipses. I know. It just sucks. Because then FOMO wants to take over and I want to start chasing price, and then I'm like, no, Maya. Don't do it, it's not worth it. Watch this now be perfect because I didn't take it. Young, you're up? Oh, okay, Othman, let's do it. Let's see. Nobody will come. LP, no, I didn't take the short. It literally just took out relative equal lows and all this liquidity. If it's going to push up higher, it's going to push up properly. It's a bit risky to take this short. So naturally it's probably going to be a win. But after it just took all that liquidity, it would be very risky to take it. Yeah. You left one micro runner from going for 200 points. Oh, damn, Solly. Okay. Late cycle liquidity and consolidate collateral dried up. I should have left a runner on my short. Gonna have to start trying that. Apple butter, I tried it for the first time the other day. It was quite cool. I felt really cool. I don't want to say like it kind of worked. I just let it carry on. It was very cool. Hey Michelle, what's up? So the level I provided was hit, yep. Stop loss should be profit by now, especially for the news. Next level and final for me is 08888. Nice. Ugh. What did I say? I bring logic to the table to not take a trade. So naturally it's going to not listen to my logic. Like, it's even taken the flipping liquidity on ES. Okay. Thanks, Michelle. Trade stocks. And I'm about cash concept. Hold for days to be damn, Wayne. That's hectic. Yep. What? What you talking about? Okay, so I would have moved this to break even. So this would have been a break-even trade. Oh well, it is what it is. I'm trailing your stop now. Hopefully it hits 77. Ooh! Well done, Jordy. Whoop whoop, that's amazing. There's a little buying on ES. Oh, let's see. It took all that liquidity now. This would have me nervous. Like, part of me is grumpy, I didn't take it, but another part of me is proud for not taking it. You know, I didn't just chase price and try to jump in at the first second that there was something. Even though I wanted to, don't get me wrong. But like I said, it literally took out equal lows and all this liquidity. I kind of expected to pump them a little bit further, but it is what it is. Yeah, Michelle, Geordie's here. Monster Mob. Yeah. Let's see, I mean, there's news in literally 3 minutes. So let's see what it brings. If not just a grumpy Maya. Hey son, what's up? Is it bad news? Hopefully it goes down. Solly, no idea. Let's see, but we got 2 minutes to go to find out, Solly. I should put my little time thingy-mabobby there again. Most news is bad. Yeah, Monster Marv. When you're right, you're right, eh? When you're right, you're right. Yeah, there is a little bit of buying there. Wait, apple butter's here in the green today? Now consolidating after it's taken out all that liquidity. Is it going to make its move? Okay, a minute to go before news. I would have still been in this trade somehow. Sorry, back to NWOG. Let's go. Wait, where's my NWOG? I need to pull it across. Oh no, it's still here. There's my NWOG. Solly, is that what you think? You think it's going all the way back down to NWOG? That would be impressive. Quiz of the day. What is red but not color? A used book. Or are you saying like it's the color red but it's not the... I'm confused. Pause, degen red already once the lifetime ends. This will bleed double digit. We are the change roll. Wow, okay. Nox, NWOG stands for New Weekly Opening Gap. So, you know, NDOG is New Daily Opening Gap. NWOG, so you see this gap here. From closing on Friday to opening today. This is the NWOG. And all gaps must be filled. You mother fluffer. It's fine. It's okay. It is what it is. Oh well, whatever. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Cool. Okay, well, news is done, guys. About to take out some more liquidity. Are we gonna pump a little bit up again? A little bit? A little itty bitty bit? Can you come just up to here again, please? That would be nice. I don't think it will bother us. Hoping. Smooth opening gap, the difference between closing by Friday opening. There we go. Yeah, ellipses. Oh well. And they stopped me out first by like a tiny one. Ooh, tube treasure. Whoop whoop. That's amazing. I feel like the selling's calmed down, which is making me a little bit nervous. Hasn't taken that yet. Sure, this is still 25. Okay, sticking with trend. Maybe I've used the wrong one, but midpoint there. 5 minute. Still going down. This does not look great. Damn, tube. What? Oh, I was thinking knife and fork. Nice. Sugar honey iced tea. Into here. Ugh, on the 1 hour. Close there. Taking the gap, popped into there. Why does this look like it wants to go back up? Okay. LP, are those? No. Oh, whoopsie daisies. My bad, my bad, my bad. The top one is supposed to be a buy stop. Not this one. This is supposed to be a limit sell. My bad. Here we go. Thank you, LP, for pointing that out. Close up, I think it's FOMO. I don't think this one is so much FOMO. I waited for that. I still think it wants to take liquidity. Cookies and cream. Maybe I used the wrong one. Maybe not. A bit of a point here. Yep, +1 for LP. Thank you. Jeez. Oh, nice, Wayne. That's amazing. Some resistance. That was the range. I used the wrong range. Mother fluffer. And now it's taken the liquidity on ES. Oh well. Damn, Wayne, whoop whoop. Some guy wait for the retrace and short that thing. Mm-hmm. Solly, you're trying to set a new record? Go on, Solly, go. Go on, Solly, go. It took liquidity on ES. No, young Frobes. Keeps missing me. Or I do the wrong flipping range or whatever the flipping case might be. Okay, let's see. Make this one then 5 IE. Let me just make sure I did the right thing. Yes, I did limit sell. But again, 150 points down, 50 to go. Well, Solly, I'm doing this in pure faith that it's going to hit where you want it to hit. Okay. 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 Okay, yep, this is not going to be great. This was not great. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm doing that like I'm very enthusiastic that it's going to go back down. You want a live account? The green is green. Green is green! Exactly, young Ferb. That is amazing. Well done. Green is indeed green. Come on, go a little bit further down. A little bit further down. You've got this. You've got this, Cupcake. Wow. What the heck? That seems about right. Three talking. This feels right. Missed this one because I was like, no, it's taken. It's a bad idea. Wow. That was, yeah. It didn't like my sweet talking ellipses. I think that's what it was. Apparently I'm really bad at sweet talking. They're hunting my stop. It's a bit funny. I promise you. That was so unnecessary. If I'd kept it here. Watch this be it. Watch this be the trade. If I'd kept it there. Because I was thinking about doing this. And then I was like, no, it's been so respectful with this downtrend. That's all I have to say. Yes, Michelle. Get out at 97-ish. Captured most of that candle there. Whoop whoop. We ball. Well done, Geordie. Whoop whoop to you. You lucky bugger. Yeah, ellipses. That tinfoil hat on. Knox. Right, I think that's the next step. No, but we tried that before. I tried to put a little tinfoil hat on. It didn't work. 10 gauntlet reclaimed. Ah, my eye. Ow, my eye. Something went in my eye. Okay. A whoop whoop to Geordie, womp womp to us. Hell yeah, ellipses. My eyeball, there's something in my eye. We'll be fine. I can trade with one eye. Where's my pirate's patch? I have an eye patch. I can just pop it on. There we go. We're fine. Go on, Vishal. Go make a call to the markets. Tell them to stop being mean. That would be great. That was excessively unnecessary, but whatever. Nope, I did the wrong thing. Moving on, next trade. Let's do this. My actual eyeball is in really pain. Is in really pain? That was English as well. Is there a tear streaming down my face? I feel like there is, but it's not because of the markets, I promise, guys. It's the fact that there's something in my eye. Is there? Yeah, kind of. I'm not sad. I'm a little bit sad. Naturally, where I got in is the reversal. Today's starting great. Extend 10 AM 1 minute fair value gap. This one right here. Ooh, okay, I feel a little bit better now because even this one would have been a loss. So I know that's a weird thing to feel better about, but I feel better about it. Oh, he trailed it, not nailed it. I think this might be a bull run here. Major high taken and then dump it Friday low. Unless one of my position is closed, let something in case it's going for the Friday lows. Chase, good. I'm glad. They better apologize super nicely. Okay, well, now I guess we have for confirmation in whatever direction I want to go. We're going up now, we're going down. What's the plan? Hey, Jean, awesome. Raphael, I'm not bad at sweet talking. Very simple. No, Solly, I'm sorry. Did it take you out? Or did you close? Bob, what? Whoop whoop. I don't even think whoop whoop cuts it. That's amazing, Bob. Well done. I just need a sweet talk. We are the chained. Short time. So out of curiosity, because curiosity is getting the best of me. It's around there. No, not yet. Okay. Never mind. Ignore me. Bouncing off a VWAP. Are we going to continue lower now? Rip, I know you think it's going to continue lower. 151 points taken, documented. Just nice, 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 nice. Sorry, your blue line is my last line. So wait. Sorry, you're still in this? What did Bob do? Bob just combined passed in 3 trades. Hey, Isabel, how's it going? Jordy, I want to long this, but I don't trust it. Yep, Solly, the dream is still alive. I love it, I love it. What, Jordy, something like... To be fair, the entrance at 0.2 would be really good. With this order block here on the 1 minute. But is it gonna go there? Or are we gonna continue dumping? Looks like we're gonna continue dumping. Bearish till it fills new week opening gap. Hey Rensler, how's it going? The trend is down, bottom test now. Yep. Hey, okay, Solly, your dream is still alive. Now we try again. So I had the right idea, just wrong time, I guess. I nearly thought I did it again. No, this is correct. I hope this looks scary. Low risk, long entry, but again, zoom out. Mid hanging, okay, no trade zone. Monster mob. I need to learn to wait longer. Really? I missed like 3 trades. And then the one I got in, well, I got was the loss, naturally. No! Sorry, Rensler. Isn't it better oh, why does this not look good now? Bounced off of VWAP. Took here. Took there. No, just being negative. Leave it alone. Jordy, I got shaken out the short. Solly stuck the landing. Mark of a solid trader. Respect. Nice. So Solly is still in this. What? Up to 90.3, which is bearish high. Bearish for stocks, futures, and crypto. Ooh, interesting, Wayne. What, do you think it's gonna take me out? Ellipses? Basically just filling gaps now. $1.7 canary in the coal mine. Solly's in cells. Yeah, the wicks aren't ideal, are they? The 5 minute, but that being said, that was rude. Boo Banana, you caught the buys on gold. Nice. Coming up on bear markets. December and Jan are going to be interesting. Why do you say that? Come on. This felt particularly unnecessary. Trader Rensler short all the way. Oh, you got this. Yep. I think Solly has got this. Not invalid yet, but it's pushing up. Sorry, I'm just thinking to myself, don't mind me. Definitely slowing down that, yep. Second level I get was hit, thank you later. Monster Marv looks okay, yeah. Let's see, if it gets me, it gets me. Hey Zubet, yeah, one trade. Here. Oh well. Hey Curex, how's it going? How have you been? Buys on gold had me off guard. I was in heavy short bias and tried to validate everything as short. Worst mistake, begging off. No, Rensler, I'm so sorry. Triple bottom at 6040. Curix, good. How are you doing, Curix? Monster Marv said TP fast. Why? You think this is gonna pop up and go down quickly? Curix, that is awesome. How's the trading been going? How's everything been going with you? Not a fan that ES looks like wants to push up, but it's fine. Wick. You think so? You think this is wick momentum? Oh, okay. I will be ready. Ellipses, you know, the perfect gold setup is still in green, even stop loss for the setup is too large for my account size, so I can't take it. Oh, ellipses, that kind of sucks. That sucks. Solly, you're not feeling overly confident. No, man, you're good. Today, that was important. I'm closing out today's bearish signal. Shouldn't tag me in, but you never know. Yeah, Rip, you never know. It kind of, yep. I think it's just going down. I mean, a bit of support here at this liquidity. Quite a bit of support, actually. Nope, there we go. See, so right idea, it just didn't come and get me in. This is frustrating. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Hey Jose, how you doing? Just not waiting on the first trade. Yeah, Monster Marv, basically. Basically. Man, oh man, is this frustrating. And another liquidity point taken. Yep, nearly. Solly, how are you feeling now, by the way? There we go. Right street, wrong address. Oh, damn. Oh, okay. Yo, guys, if you wouldn't mind pressing that like button so that Geordie doesn't yell, damn. Thomas, how you doing? Go, Solly, go. Go, Solly, go. Oh, grumpy goose incoming. That would be me. I am the grumpy goose. Yeah, Bob. Nicely called. It's not right by way that entry. Go just tap me. Wish me whoop whoop and no one pump. Ellipses, you've got this. If this hits, I won't be able to sleep tonight. Solly, yep. Tube treasure, bad day for me today. Yeah, it's fine. Let me see this quickly. Alright, this. However, that being said, if it takes that, I can't take it regardless, so what the heck, man? Solly, what? What do you mean it didn't take you out? Once more. It's itchy. Jose, I looked at gold this morning. I didn't trade it though. Just chill, let it build its range. Zoom out of NQ and look at 261300. Oh my goodness, there we go. Yeah. Solly. I feel like this is Solly's show today. Well done, Solly. That's amazing. That is amazing. That is amazing. Solly. Whoop whoop for Solly, guys. Everyone, whoop whoop for Solly. The 6 tab. What? Just out of my hand, making bubbles with them. Oh no, what happened? What happened? Wait. I feel like I missed something. Thomas, what happened? Ooh, Zubair, whoop whoop as well. Well done. Let me see, was nothing we could be end of the day. Just rumble around nothing. Damn, some guy. What? Purporting again? No, GX, not purporting. No. Apple butter, let's go. Whoop, man. Tube trades done, now you're done. Tube treasure, you're on fire today. Well done, by the way. Whoop, there it's gone into NWOG. Awesome. That feels so good. The one short I took. Anyways. Oh. Moment of silence for Thomas. And probably for me as well today. Damn, it's just it. Happy place. Yeah, Solly, I can imagine Go for like a run and a hop, skip and a jump. Damn. Oh man, noise. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, ice cream. Well, isn't it? Wait, Solly? No, it's not cold there. It's hot there. Go get some ice cream. Aw. Thanks, Apple Butter. You're so sweet. Apple Butter, how's it looking for you today, by the way? Sorry. Haven't even asked you. There it came for those lows. See, now I can't get into any of this because I need confirmation of, are we going to continue down? Are we popping back up? What's the plan for today? Oh, Wayne, whoop whoop as well. Damn, everyone's having a good day today. Like, I'm super happy for you guys. I'm just salty. I'm just being salty. It's fine. Some guy, I want to take the lower liquidity, then I'm looking to buy from there. Nice. Looks like, well, Rensler, not all of us. Going into new week up. Yep. Apple butter, green is green. Well done. That is awesome. Right, you gotta celebrate the little wins. We remember the little losses, but we never celebrate the little wins. Which is quite sad. I think we have to remember everything all the time. That sounds weird, but you know, you get what I mean. Yeah, right, Solly? This is... yeah. That was frustrating. Ugh, it's fine. See, I'm gonna remember that for ages. Trading the 200 leverage in order to achieve my 600 a day goal. And testing trading strategy for fun, yeah. Oh, wait, oh, no, but it's still winning and it's still working, right? So that's awesome. Monster Morph bloody as hell today. Okay. Ooh. Some guy. Look at you being cheeky, but I mean, if it's working, right? Do we think it wants to fill the whole? Whoopsie daisies. Do we think it wants to fill the whole new weekly opening gap? Now up 1% after the 2 I lost yesterday. Some guy, then you're winning. You are absolutely winning. Here we go. Michelle, why? Look at the reaction of... Is that supposed to be like 10.29, right? Some guy and the loss this morning. Nice. Working on second. Yeah. Okay, good. Now crash. Go on, Tube Treasure. Yeah, no, GX, bad idea. Again, bad idea. Yep, it is a day sooner to a funded account. I'm listening to an audiobook on trading strategy and psychology. Oh, nice. Which audiobook, Wayne? Damn, GX, one trade away from your payout. That's exciting. You're shorting gold. You're shorting gold. What does gold look like? Let me check that out quickly. Sorry, that's why I'm sighing. I could see already that this would have been perfect. Oop, that would have screwed me. I'm just gonna keep quiet. I'm gonna keep quiet. I'm gonna keep quiet. Okay, here's a bit of a push now. Is this the shift? Taking that low. Oh, we're gonna start going up. Gold is much better. Yeah, apparently. Hey, Bujay, what's up? How you doing? You got in at 26k. Damn. I only look into the eyes of NQ. Damn, Solly. Do you blink? Or does NQ blink first? Because I think today NQ blinked first. Just saying. Different ones right now. How to day trade for living by Andrew. Oh, cool. Solly is a mod. Yep. Jordy, you think you might long this? Only True Trader. What an amazing New York session. No, I'm joking. It is. You guys have been doing so amazing. I'm just grumpy and salty. It is what it is. I'm not taking this just before I get yelled at, because I can see the yelling gonna happen already, but I'm just looking. I'm just looking. I caught the short earlier. Ooh. Aw. Nice, only True Trader. What the heck? So angry. I don't know what you are talking about. I'm great. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. You're right. I'm just being salty. I'm just being a salty little person right now. I will get over myself. Here we go. Cool. So, like I said, glad. Oh my word. Okay, done. I think I'm salty because all the trades from this morning, well, I couldn't get in this morning. It just ran away without me. There was one trade I didn't take because it literally took out the equal lows. This one here. It took out all the equal lows. So I thought it was going to do what it did here. So naturally it didn't. So I tried to get in on the next one and then it screwed me. Oh well, anyways. Don't worry, Maya. Dark the night, bright the sun. Hey, GX. Yeah, I won the stare down today. I think I'm 1 out of 99 though. You know what, Sully? For a staring champ, that one is really good. Just saying. It's pretty normal to get pissed on trading. Most of them, that's bad. At least I'm not throwing things. I've made sure to not throw things. Oh, GX, you're so sweet. Thank you. Just full port trust. Never mind. Nope. Not happening. Okay, so nope. Let's check higher time frames, shall we? 5 minutes. Okay, let me just shut that off for a second because it's too much. Okay. Yeah, monster. You're right. You're right. Okay, took that out. Again, guys, with the new weekly opening gap, does it want to fill the whole gap generally, or does it like to just tap into it? I've never really tried the NWOG route. So I'm just kind of curious, what is normally the way to go? Does it normally like to fill the entire gap? Does it normally just like to tap into it and just kind of reject off of it, kind of like an order block? And let's rebuild this right. Yeah, there we go, Solly. Then, haha. Some guy, you're gonna make him scared. Huh. Why does that one look good? 15 minutes. Sorry guys, it's gonna be chaotic. It's just because I want to keep this up. Rejection up there. Yeah, it will do the whole gap. Oh, thanks, Tube Treasure. Depends. Sometimes it taps, sometimes it fills. So what I do is if it taps and my entry model forms, you take the trade. Huh. Thanks, Only True Trader. Thank you for answering me, by the way. Appreciate it. Appreciate ya. Okay, so there we go. Would have been a loss if I did that range. Nope. What am I doing? That's a bad idea. And I mean, to be fair, this is also. It's gonna hit this level though. This level's pretty hectic. That resistance level. Also got inverse value gap going on over here. Damn, Solly's on the spot today. There we go. Usually fills the entire gap. Stats say around 7% of the time. If it's immediately filled, it'll trade away from it afterwards. The problem is when it leaves it open like this. Okay. Boom, you think it might go up now? I'm waiting to see if it respects this or not. If it kind of looks like it's coming back down, I might put in a sneaky, just a stop sell or sell stop. Oh, Vishal, here's to hoping you are correct. But I don't, like I said, I don't need like piles and piles of cash. I just need comfortable cash. Does that make sense? But I guess I have horses, so I guess piles and piles is the way to go. Part of me is... Yeah, okay. Just leave it alone. See, part of me was dying to just press a button to get in. Nope, leave it alone, leave it alone, leave it alone! Having horses before Parliament, which is what I'm thinking about, yeah. Sugar honey iced tea. Let's see. Oh, banana, why not? Trust yourself. Yeah, but I don't want to see it test a little bit higher. Pop into this level at least, but maybe not. It's also faltering on ES. I mean, look at this juicy flipping. minute. It hasn't broken anything up there. 15 minute. Wow, it's chaotic, but moving on. Sorry, now I can just block that. Down. Pablo, really? You really like the tattoo that much? Full bear flag, full on. Monster Mob. Pablo, guys. Actually, I haven't even checked. Are we not nearly at 5k? No, not yet. No, wait, we're not, are we? Wait, let me check something. $700 more followers. Not quite 700. I don't think it's gonna happen today, but maybe tomorrow. 5k is nearly hit, guys. Nearly. Time to make 700 more accounts. Boom. We're on 4,935. We're getting there. Damn. Then there will be another tattoo. Because I stick to my promises. The shark people saw a shark for the first time last week, just BTW. So I just need them to see a few more sharks and then I can actually go shark cage diving again. Going along on team mind writing like button signs are bullish. The earth is 139 points in New York till now. So damn, Rip, you're still in this? Hey, Nanomix, yeah, I took one trade. It was right idea, wrong timing. In, out, went higher up, and then melted down. Why does this long look like it is the way to go? Tapped into the inverse fair value gap. I feel like I'm now second guessing things again, which is bad. Bad, Maya, bad. But in the same breath, are we just going to be consolidating a little bit now? I became first on mine. Boom, and then we'll just talk about. Boom, and then I did. I'm sorry. I didn't. Boom. Well, I mean, you said. She blocked you, but I did not block Boom. If Earth is flat, then I'm not. Oh my gosh, you guys are funny. Okay, there's now officially too much chaos going on for my poor little brain. Zoom in slightly, and let's see. Boom, have you had any trades today, by the way? Oh, wait. Only true trade. Am I with inverses? Try using the last fair value gap in manipulation day. Damn, so it was actually a perfect long entry. Because this was my entry, 0.5. Literally would have tapped in. But wait. We'll see. Let me go to my notes. And of course, there it goes. Wait, Geordie, did you get in on this? Where did Geordie go? Oh, I wonder if Geordie's still here. Geordie? Young Verb? Yeah. London's a little bit... I'm scared to say calmer because this morning it was wild, but still. Ooh, okay. Wait. Boom Banana's now gone quiet. Boom? Where'd you go? Yeah, boom. Okay, Boom's coming at me with the what? Damn. I said, Boom, have you taken any trades today? Damn. Calm down. And then Vishal asked you something. The moon is... Okay. Young Fro, you feel like London is a mix of both. Why? Out of curiosity. Nice, Boom! Did you get in on the drop? Well, this one would have been at break even by now. Kind of looks like it's forming the M. Oh, you took it on gold. Okay, cool. That's one follow me. Okay. Sorry, I think Vishal just wants to know if you're married. That's the vibe I'm getting. I'm trying. Yep. No. Okay, sorry, that sounds terrible, but okay. I'm trying so hard. the neighbor was making noise, so I thought, let me just close the door. It does mean my dog is trapped in here with me now, so let's see. He might not be too impressed with that, but it is a New York Highlights volume, but not super crazy like Young Probs, right? Even said, I have been preferring London recently. It's bad to say, but yeah. Shoot, I should have tried to re-enter this. One TP, cool. And there goes the other one. That was fun. That was fun for me to witness and watch. There was 2 winning trades right there. Anyways, moving on. Now it's gonna tap into here. I'm gonna reject off properly, question mark. Got some there. Sometimes use your mind in smaller ranges, but don't mind the big range. Yeah, I think Vishal's a robot. Solly, it makes sense now, right? I think a lot of things would make sense if Vishal was a robot. What? Didn't take that though. I'm too late. Am I too late? What? What is going on? Anyways. Oh, son, are you asking me why it's negative and what happened? Monster Marv, what you saying no to? I'm so confused. I feel like I'm missing a lot that's happening on the chat right now, but that's fine. Oh, I'm not too late. Will this push back up? Could potentially be too late. Maybe it's a good thing I'm too late? By the looks of things? Yep. Yep, I'm going for it's a good thing. Thanks, Vishal. I appreciate that. That's a very, very kind gesture. That's very sweet of you. Oh, Monster Marv, you meant a short. Okay. Monster Marv, you still think this is gonna go further down? Okay. Rip finally took your remaining portion. Done for the day. Going to do your thing. Check the trade in Discord. Rip, I will go check it out. Don't you worry. Monster Marv, not necessarily short for me though. Ellipses? Is it looking long for you? Wait, Ellipses, you're in this. Are you still in the trade? What's happening? Omar? Hi, how you doing? But Rip, whoop whoop, by the way. I think whoop whoop is definitely in order there. Okay. Don't mind me, guys. I'm gonna take 2 minutes to see, whoops, if my head is going to come back on, because I feel like the emotions and FOMO are taking over quite a bit right now. So I'm gonna take 2 minutes. If I can't get my head right, then I guess it is what it is, and today is just going to be a red day, and I'm not going to take any more trades. But I'm taking 2 minutes, so let me respond to you guys. No, I know that, Ellipses, but I know you said that you were in a trade earlier. You said you got in and you want to see how it went. Oh, Solly. Okay, Sun, you think it's going down. Thomas, what happened? Oh no. Thomas, I think that's worse. I don't know what's worse, getting filled and getting stopped out, or having what you think is nearly the perfect entry and getting missed by like nearly a tick. Oh, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Don't worry, Thomas, not my day either, but it's some people's like best days ever. Oh wait, Thomas, was your entry the middle of this fair value gap? I mean, it could come back still. It looks like it's coming back still. Oh, womp for you. Ellipses! Me and you, we've got this. Don't worry. Don't worry. Maya, that happened to me during London today. Only 2 trading. No! See for the highs in the fair value gap. Oh. Damn, okay, that's actually really good. What the heck? You don't think it's gonna come back up again, Thomas? Solly, are you good? Whoa, what's happening? Yeah. Monster mob, that's bearish downside. And 26012. Oh, okay, so buy the lows. So essentially taking out, correct me if I'm wrong, taking out some internal liquidity to then drop to the external? Yes? But I kind of get that. Michelle knows all of Solly's deep dark secrets. That is amazing. That is amazing? No, I mean bad. Okay, cool. There we go. There we go. Slowly getting it sometimes. You were thinking partials here. Yeah. Oof, that would have missed me by a tick. Supposed to be not looking at the charts for a minute and calming down. Give me a second. Sun? Oh, there? Why I lost there? Is that what you're talking about? I'm putting tape over my... Yes, the market always moves from external to internal. Boom, you're gonna close the charts? Why? Are you getting too tempted or what? What's up? Are you just done for the day? Solly, maybe that's not the worst idea. Because this is a little bit poopy. Halloween is done, Michelle. You don't have to scare Solly now. Thomas starting to be choppy. Sometimes some of the best moves happen around now, though. Sometimes. Sometimes being the key word there. I don't know if that would have gotten me in. I think that may have missed me by a tick. Can you imagine? What the heck? Okay. I just think about I'll be the richest person in the world if I could see just a minute into the future. Ellipses. I kind of like that. That would be amazing. Can you imagine? All moves are bare fnaggish. Don't put tape on camera. Put on the sockets behind you. Patience pays, but it's boring. Some guy, that's why you got us, right? We are very entertaining most of the days. Maybe not when we are being salty, like right now, but most of the days. We're good entertainment. Boom has spoken. Everybody off the chart. Save your capital for tomorrow. Oh, flip. Sorry, you guys are so funny. Definitely very good entertainment. Go and put your dishes on time, which are in sync, and make your bed. Boom banana. We can just watch Maya trade. I'm sorry, do you think I'm trading right now? Does it look like the face of someone who's trading? You can watch me contemplate my life. No, I'm joking. Like I said, I'm just being salty. I should leave the salt for the ocean, right? Just, you know. So Maya's the lab rat. Ellipses? Yeah, you're gonna have to stop calling me human and start calling me rat. That might not come across very well, will it? But anyways. 102 won't maintain, you got real patience. 85 to 80k. My cat house. My cat house? You want a flipping house? Remember this day. We'll change for a TP and maybe a retrace long. Thanks, Dolly. There we go. Let's see. It took me a while to understand what Solly was talking about for a second. I was like, what? But then I realized. Yeah, exactly. That's the problem, Ellipses. You could call me a rat, I will think it's funny, but some mods might hop on you real quick. Yeah. I don't make the rules, apparently. Bitcoin below 40k would ruin a lot of people's lives. You don't think it's gonna happen though? You don't think so? Okay. Entry and what should drop now? Can take all of that though. Hasn't taken this either. Okay. Let's see. Oopsies. No. Boom! What the heck? That was so mean. Wow, Maya got beautiful paintings on my wall. Ah, thanks, my dad painted them. Next year BTC 32k. Boom is just after you today. Yeah, listen, Ellipses, you get used to it. I'm going to have a meltdown. Nope. From low to high. From low to high, that's 9k. Patience 1% entry. Waiting until it's last. Maybe not today for you. Yes, then. 618 is good too, but we'll test market sentiment zone by zone. Well, I mean, this would at least be stop loss mitigated by a half. Yeah. Not quite break even yet though, but close. So these wicks are very interesting. Someone said the other day that these big wicks down mean potentially good shorts. Who was it? Was it one of you guys? Happen every time so far until it doesn't happen for the first time. I'm gonna trust it. The trend is your friend and all that jazz. We are the change. Who has ever heard of he hey what's up? What? Oh, we are kind of ranging now, aren't we? My 2-minute breather has resulted in... Well, no, obviously it has nothing to do with the 2-minute breather, but... Yeah, we appear to be ranging. I know the song CO2. No? No, oh no, I'm so sorry, I don't know it. I have friends betting on the bear. Ooh, okay. Ew, it's 350. This is not it. Wait, Solly. Solly? Did you already take your dog for a walk? Are you now just back from the walk? Cheers, boom. Well done for today, by the way. See, I'm being nice. Unlike someone. Just saying, I'm just saying. Grr. Solly's dog goes for a walk by itself. Oh, okay, some guy. Okay. Well, if I had moved this to break even, it would have been out at break even. We do just appear to be chopping though. No? Maybe not? Nope. Never mind. Aw, sorry, Solly. That's frustrating. Just think about it that it works, not that you lost it. Yeah, that helped. That actually helped. That helped quite a bit. Thank you. Like I said, all the ones that I've drawn out today actually would have worked perfectly. I just naturally took the one trade where it didn't. I think that's what's frustrating me. Everywhere where I drew out the fib. That's the fib. See, even I'm calling it a damn fib now. Again. Perfect entry and up. This one didn't tag me in. Oh, I did enter this. I forgot about that. Oh, that would have been sitting on my entry. That would have sucked. That would have sucked a lot. Okay, never mind. Sorry. Ignore me. I got quiet there. Again, nope. Okay, so at least this one would have been a break-even trade. That's something. I'm going up properly now. Am I, even after being put on several timeouts, still came back? Why? I don't know, Michelle, why? Ellipses, where is Skeleton? I actually don't know. He was here this morning. Maybe he's asleep. I don't know where he is. Well, this was doo-doo. I was $100 up on the day and blow the account over leverage by... Oh my gosh, Rensler, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah, you've got this. You've got this. Don't worry, Rensler. Can you see I'm having a blast? No, I'm not, but I will get over myself. There's still tomorrow. I still got more things to do. Teach Mama trading. Ollie? No. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. This is happening. Anyways. I'm typing error. Gosh, this is very entertaining to read. Focus, my what? What are you going on about? Maya, there is no tomorrow. What? Would you have ever blown an account? Yeah, of course I have. I mean, my eval accounts, like, sure. Like maybe, I don't want to lie, but I want to say like maybe 4 eval accounts. 4, yeah, I want to say around maybe 4 eval accounts since April. Maybe that's a lie. That might be a lie. Maybe more. Yeah, part of the process, 100%. Yeah, don't worry, Ellipses. Me and you both. What surgery? Yeah, Michelle, you were good today. Ellipses, maybe more, not less. No, definitely not less than 4. You just trade your own cash. Yeah. See, I use the prop. Let's ask that question in a different context. How long was I able to keep one alive? The longest. I want to say this one would have been longer. When I changed to Tradeify, I was actually up 1,500. And I think that one was going on 2 months. And then I changed to top one 11 days ago. So, yeah. No, not 11 days. When did I change to this? That's actually a good question. When did I change to this? But yeah, I kept that one going for quite a decent amount of time, so that was cool. So yes, it made me a little nervous just watching PP. Context is crazy, can't even lie. Oh, there we go. Michelle there freaking Solly out. Sorry, Solly. Young Ferb? No, I didn't. Sorry. Nothing else. I took 2 minutes to calm my brain down, if you will, and it's kind of been chopping. Can't get in on anything when it's chopping. Focus maybe the space cookies. That sounds very likely. Solly bromance, yep. Okay. Do we have something proper? Geordie, are you still in this, by the way? Are you out? What's happening with your trade? And volume's dried up. Oh man, I need a security card now. Monster Mob, this looks bullish. I was thinking bullish, but I actually just kind of wanted to stop chopping first before I start saying yay or nay. Or nay. Get it? Nay. Anyway, sorry. Jordy, where's your TP at? And have you moved to break even, or what's your plan? Hey Austin, I'm with top one futures right now. Hey Ellipsy. Ellipsy's over here coming up with all the solutions. I love it. Oh guys, what's wrong here? I mean, it's not 2026 yet for sure. Like 2 months left. Oh, okay, Jordy. But I mean, that's still great, right? You're still in the green. So that's a whoop whoop. Well done. Okay. Yeah, so much for looking bullish. Why does this look like it wants to start dropping now? What? The heck? Okay. Focus, maybe too many space cookies were had. Just saying. Okay, anyway. Does anyone know what I can trade the last $3 in the account on? Friends, what are you hoping to try and make up something, or you just wanting to get rid of it? Withdraw it and get yourself a drink. There we go. There we go. Monster Marv. $3 full port. Hey, some guy. There we go. Rensler full port. Go for it. You never know. Maybe you slowly just start doubling it. Yes, it's down. What? What just happened? Does anyone else's chart look like this? Okay, but again, what? It's liquidated in, damn. So I see it did it both on ES and NQ. What? Captain, maybe you just don't. I mean, no. That's a hole. But like, why did that happen? Ah, Vuja, that makes sense. That gap was. Okay, I'm gonna try refresh it. Let's see. Nope, still there. Whoa. Jordy, are you glad you got out of that trade now? What the heck? Jordy, I can see you have a water bottle near you. Oh gosh, okay, Michelle's at it again. Because Minnie said it's sold, yeah. You guys, this is Maya's part-time. She's a full-time gambler. Ooh, the rib heavy, yep. Like, I'm not the biggest fan. This is not an A+ setup at all. No ways, ellipses. Are you serious? What? That's not right. Uja, should we go long now? I don't know. No, my child's looking beautiful. What have you done, girl? Made a quick, then my sell limit was still on and it tagged me in a short, made a quick 70. Damn, Geordie, aren't you just having a great day? Accidental great day for that last little bit, but still a great day. Wow, is Michelle doing it again? Okay, part of me wants to ask Michelle what's on my desk, but because you can't see what's going on over here. You can straight short this. Jordy, I put tape over my camera, you should do the same. Yep. Like that occur when there isn't a buyer or seller at that price, they can't do anything about it. I guess ellipses, but still. Doesn't feel right. I know it has nothing, you know, nothing they can do about it, but still. Okay, still wanting to push down now. This still feels choppy. No, don't tape the camera, tape the flower. Just started stream doing voodoo because this isn't magic. Yep. It is 1/2 now. Normally I would call it, but hide, please. Thank you. Nah. Minute. pointing out repair around the house now. Oh gosh. Rochelle, you're here. Everyone just wants to hear what you're gonna say next. Part of me does want to go just because I also want to hear what you're gonna say next. I'm like, what is going on? Captain there. Just gonna there. Okay. Went 5-5 comic it up here. Ellipses. Yeah, you're gonna yell at me. I had a bit of cereal this morning. Maya, did you water the plant behind you? I mean, you can see, everyone can see that. That does not count. Sorry, should I block and report? I'm not even joking right now. Okay, so ES looks like it's wanting to just keep pumping. And ES has taken that liquidity. Yep, I think I'm gonna call it, guys. I think I'm gonna call it. I'm not seeing anything today. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Ellipses. I can't see any plants though. Oh, right. No, it's behind the thingy. Behind the thingamabobby. Why is that doing that? Fine. Jordy, your kitchen tap is okay. I'm kind of here. Monster Marv, yeah. Oh. Ellipses. I did see a lot, just didn't take them. The one I did take. ... I nearly swore. Why does this look like it's gonna be a winner? If this... Nope. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Should have listened to Big Boom 20 minutes ago. I mean, to be fair, I didn't take another trade, Solly. I just stayed on to see what would happen. But how did he know? I don't know. Boom Banana is just skilled. Annoying. I don't know. Just plumber over. Ah, nice, Jordy. Very good. I wonder if it's still leaking. But my bathroom chat. Okay, no promoting. Oh man, you guys are funny. Okay. You guys do give me good giggles. Thank you. Even if it's not the best trading day, you guys still just make this wildly entertaining. Wildly entertaining. Okay, I could ask Michelle this. Where is my dog right now? Then after Michelle answers that, I'll probably call it a day. What of the friend that got you in trading though? Does he watch your streams? Yeah, he does. Not all the time, but he does. Jordy, I did take one. That's why I'm in the red. Yeah. You know, naturally, the one I took was then because I specifically, what? Why did I not take this one? I can't remember. What? Why did I not take this one? Oh, no, it was. So this one right here, I didn't take because of the fact that it had taken out equal lows and, well, basically all of this liquidity. So I thought that it was going to be a big retest back up. So I didn't take it. So naturally it was a win. Then, yeah, then I took... Why did I not take that one? I can't remember why I didn't take that one either, because that also would have come in beautifully and been a win. So then I was like, okay, here we go. We're on this awesome streak. Let's give it a go. And boom, loss. And then it naturally fell back down. Oh well, it is what it is. That would be a great short. This one here. Now this looks like it's headed towards a loss. Yep, that would have been a loss. Woo! Okay. Nice, young fur beats. Whoop whoop. That is amazing. For those of you that had whoop whoops today, whoop whoop indeed. Solly, were you yawning? Okay. Oh, Michelle, now I know you're talking rubbish. My dog's literally KO'd next to me in his bed. He's living his best napping life right there. Huh. It's back to the 4-hour trade. Okay, so that's not true. True. Like I said, naturally the one I took was then not great. Okay, I'm gonna call it there, guys. I've actually stayed longer than usual. I kind of wanted to see if that would have been a win. It sounds bad, but I'm kind of glad it wasn't because it makes me feel like I didn't miss out on it. But where's... I'm gonna call it there. Yeah, Jordy, no, we've got this, right? It's fine. It is what it is. Oh, okay. It would have tagged you in for the... Yep, some guy it would have. It really would have. It would have been awesome. It's fine. I'm gonna maybe hop on early tomorrow. Let's see, maybe I'm gonna hop on Discord early tomorrow and I'm going to just do a bucket load. I make no promises. Let's find out. I'm gonna call it there, guys. Yes. Have a good evening, day, wherever you are. You know, middle of the night, some people. Have great trades, great days. I'm not even gonna go to the ending thing. You guys were amazing. Thank you for joining me. As usual, I love you guys madly. And again, you had some fun, at least. Sorry, today mentally was not great. This morning was good. I just didn't get any of the trades, but anyways, it is what it is. Have a good night. Have a good night, non-human. Okay, ellipses. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Please don't forget to like the stream. If you are with any of the prop firms in my description, if you guys wouldn't mind showing love and support and using my affiliate code, that would be amazing. What's your Discord? Oh, Young for Beats. Pop me an email. I will send that to you now. Michelle? Shush. Ellipses, I'm on my way to go eat right now. That's what I'm gonna go do right now. I love you guys madly. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mwah.